Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop, Y0110. If you're tired of juggling between vacuuming and mopping or simply want a more efficient way to keep your floors spotless, this product could be a game changer. Stick around to see how this little robot can make your cleaning routine easier and smarter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. 1. First impressions. Let's start with the design. The iRobot Roomba Combo has a sleek and compact design that fits into tight spaces under furniture, which is a huge plus. The black and metallic finish gives it a premium look, but what really stands out is its 2-in-1 capability. It not only vacuums, but also mops. That's a huge time saver for anyone with hard floors like tile, laminate, or hardwood. 2. Powerlifting suction. Now, let's talk performance. The powerlifting suction is truly impressive. It can easily pick up dirt, dust, and even pet hair. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to keep the floors clean, but this Roomba gets the job done. With 10 times the suction power of older models, it's designed to handle thick carpets and hard floors without missing a beat. It's really something you'll appreciate if you have a busy home or kids running around. 3. Mopping functionality. The mopping feature is another winner. It can switch between vacuuming and mopping seamlessly, so you don't have to stop and change anything manually. The robot detects when it's on hard floors and engages the mop automatically. It's perfect for homes with different surfaces, and the multi-surface cleaning means it adapts to your space as it goes. 4. Smart navigation. What's really cool is the smart navigation system. It moves in neat rows to ensure every corner is covered, unlike some older models that just randomly move around. It's not only efficient but also thorough. Whether you're cleaning during the day or scheduling it for the night, it navigates smartly without bumping into furniture or walls. 5. Alexa integration. For those of you who love smart home integration, the Roomba Combo works with Alexa. You can control it using voice commands like, "Alexa, start Roomba," and it'll get to work. It's compatible with Google Assistant too, which makes it even more convenient for smart home enthusiasts. 6. Self-charging. Another feature I love is the self-charging capability. Once it's done cleaning, it automatically returns to its charging dock, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in or keeping an eye on the battery. This is one of those set-it-and-forget-it gadgets that truly makes life easier. 7. Price and value. Now, let's talk about whether it's worth the price. While the Roomba Combo may be on the higher end compared to some other robot vacuums, it's worth every penny considering the amount of time it saves and the quality of the cleaning. If you're someone who values both vacuuming and mopping in one device, plus smart home compatibility, this is definitely a solid investment. So, if you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop that's powerful, easy to use, and smart home compatible, the iRobot Roomba Combo is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for anyone who wants to save time on cleaning while still getting excellent results. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're already using a Roomba or if you're planning to get one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our next video. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.